Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to express the given quantity as a single logarithm. So we have the natural log of b plus 2 times the natural log of c minus 3 times the natural log of d. So our first step is to take these constants that are being multiplied by the logs. So we have 2 times this, negative 3 times this. And what we can do is we can move these numbers to be exponents within the log. So keeping natural log of b the same, this is equal to the natural log of c squared minus the natural log of d cubed. And now what we can do is combine these into one. So if you have one log plus another, and they have the same base, that's equal to the log of their product, so b times c squared. And if you have one log minus another, that is equal to the first one divided by the second one. So this is the natural log of b times c squared divided by d cubed. And this is your final answer, this expression as a single logarithm.